folks. I was trying to set up a proper view for this, however, I wasn't able to get the camera connected to a viewing screen properly, so we're just going to do this and see how it works. Anyway, today we are going to be unboxing the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk edition. Came all the way from China, and I did do a little bit of pre-opening to make sure we didn't have any hiccups, but here we are. And I gotta say, the presentation for special edition stuff is very video gamey, and I gotta say I'm enjoying it. And as we open up the first outer box, we see the monolith that's been in the news lately, and it's looking pretty nicely. And on the bottom here we have what appears to be a map of, I'm gonna assume, is the game landscape, which I have not played yet, so I can't confirm that for sure, but that's a pretty nice setup. Now, all around the bottom, it's a little bit of designing, QR code on the back here, but let's get this show on the road. So it seems that there is actually a secondary container on the back here, one that is containing a pin that can be placed on some of the clothing, it seems like. One bit of paraphernalia, and then here is our phone case itself. Pretty sturdy. We'll put this away for the moment. And then here is the phone itself. This appears to be packaging in here. Further, and what we have are a SIM removal tool. Some stuff saying never settle, OnePlus, some stickers. Stickers are always great, I'm sure we know. I believe this is a screen protector that's in here. And then this appears to be a poster. So one side is a poster, the other side is some instruction looking stuff in Chinese, as the phone is Chinese market only. But let's see what else we might have. I'll just try to keep everything roughly together so that it's organized for later. And here's the phone itself, charging cable, and a charging block that also has the Cyberpunk logo on it. So you know 100% that you aren't walking around with a non-special edition. Now, do I see any such on the phone cable? No. I think that is pretty much all that comes with it. Let's go ahead and get this thing powered on. Well, as a phone, it looks very much like the 8T should, which is a giant black slab. And let's go ahead and get this rocking and rolling. There we are, powered by Android 11. The texture on the back is somewhat smooth. This is more glass-like on the bottom. And oh, never settle. No SIM card in here. Now it appears that most of this stuff is OnePlus launcher to get physical activity access to the device. Sure, always allow. Now it appears that everything is kind of a mixture of Chinese data roaming plan and English. Well, and that pretty much concludes the thing, but we can look in the phone a little bit more. So we do have a background showing the samurai logo, and for the most part a couple of Chinese language apps, but it looks like everything else is in English, and that appears to be done pretty well. System language, and yep, that is in English, and it appears a couple of China options, and that's going to be it for this time. Thank you for joining us, and hopefully you guys got to see what this is going to be like.